ਗੁੱਡ ਮਾਰਨਿੰਗ ਆਲ ਆਫ ਯੂ। ਗਿਆਨਮ ਇੰਸਟੀਚਿਊਟ ਖੰਨਾ ਦੇ YouTube ਚੈਨਲ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਭ ਦਾ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ। ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਦਾ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਹੈ ਵੋਕੈਬਲਰੀ। What is the meaning of vocabulary? Vocabulary refers to set of words known, used or understood by a person or with a language. ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਭਾਸ਼ਾ ਦੇ ਉਹ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਵਿਅਕਤੀ ਜਾਣਦਾ ਜਾਂ ਉਪਯੋਗ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਸਨੂੰ vocabulary ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਨ। First sentence, outlook. Part of speech, the way a person views or thinks about something, a general attitude or expectation about the future. Outlook ਦਾ ਅਰਥ ਹੈ ਸੰਭਾਵਨਾ। Sentence, her positive outlook helped her overcome difficult challenge. मतलब ਉਸਦੇ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਆਊਟਲੁੱਕ ਨੇ ਹੈਲਪ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੰਭਾਵਨਾ ਦੱਸਣੀ ਕਿ ਉਹਨੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਮੁਸੀਬਤਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਾਹਮਣਾ ਕਰਨਾ ਪਏਗਾ। Synonym, perspective, viewpoint, attitude. Antonym, pessimism, hopelessness. Next sentence, retain. Retain ਦਾ ਅਰਥ ਹੈ ਬਣਾਈ ਰੱਖਣਾ। Meaning to retain, to keep possessions of something, not to lose it. Sentence, the company decide to retain all experienced employees. Synonym, keep, preserve, maintain. Antonym, lose, release, discard. Next sentence, offset. The meaning of offset, बराबर कर देना, to balance or contract something. Sentence, the profit this year helped offset last year losses. Synonym, counterbalance, compensate and neutralize. Antonym, intensify, worsen. Next sentence, defect. The meaning of defect, अभाव होना, किसी चीज का अभाव होना, a shortage होनी, a shortage of lack of something, especially money. Sentence, the government is trying to reduce the budget deficit. Synonym, shortage, shortfall, insufficiency. Antonym, surplus, excess. Next sentence है underlines. The meaning of underline is जोर देना, किसी चीज पे ज्यादा जोर देना, meaning to emphasize or highlight the importance to something. Sentence, this incident underlined the need for better safety measures. Synonym, emphasis, stress, highlight. Antonym, ignore, overlook, downplay. Next sentence है incessant. The meaning of incessant, never stopping, कदे भी end ना होना, continue without stopping, constant. Sentence, the incessant noise made it hard to concentrate. Synonym, non-stop, continuous, unending. Antonym, occasional, intermittent. Next sentence है peculiarity, जिसका अर्थ है विशेषता, meaning unusual or distinctive features or habits. Every culture has its own peculiarities that make it unique. Synonym, oddities, quirks, abnormalities. Antonym, normalities, regulators. Next sentence है prognosis, जिसका अर्थ ਹੁੰਦਾ है ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ अनुमान लग जाना, पूर्व अनुमान, meaning a prediction about the future, especially regarding recovery from illness. Sentence, the doctor gave a positive prognosis after the surgery. Synonym, forecast, predictions, outlook. Antonym, uncertainty, indirect opposite, guess. Next sentence है resentment, जिसका अर्थ ਹੁੰਦਾ है रोष, किसी भी चीज के प्रति रोष होना, a meaning of anger or bitterness caused by unfair treatment. Sentence, she felt deep resentment after being blamed for something she did not do. Synonym bitterness, anger, indignation. Antonym forgiveness, contentment, acceptance. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है अपएंड, जिसका अर्थ है उल्ट देना कोई भी चीज, टू टर्न समथिंग अपसाइड डाउन, उल्ट होना, टू डिस्टर्ब और ओवरटर्न. Sentence: the new technology could upend the entire industry. Synonym: overturn, disturb, topple. Antonym: stabilize and support. ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ MCQs ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਸੋਲਵ. ਆਊਟਲੁੱਕ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਦਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਦਿਓ. What helped her overcome difficult challenge? First option, her strict rules. Second, her positive outlook. Her physical strength. Her past experience. ਅਸੀਂ ਪੜਿਆ ਸੀ ਆਊਟਲੁੱਕ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਇਹਦਾ ਸਹੀ ਆਨਸਰ B, her positive outlook. सही आंसर है B. Next, retain. What did the company decide to do? Replace all employees, fire experienced employees, retain experienced employees, hire new employees only. Correct answer is C. Next, offset. What did this year profit do? A. Increase last year losses, ignore last year losses, offset last year losses, double last year losses. Correct answer is offset last year losses. Defect. What is the government trying to reduce? The budget surplus, the budget deficit, national income, employment rate. Correct answer is the budget deficit. Next, underlines. What does the incident do? Hides the need, underlines the need, removes the need, doubt the need. Correct answer is underlines the needs. Next, incessant. What made it hard to concentrate? A peaceful environment, the incessant noise, the quiet room, the lack of light. Correct answer is B, the insistent noise. Peculiarities. What does every culture have? A. Nothing special. B. Ordinary habits. C. Its own peculiarities. D. Similar features only. Correct answer is its own peculiarities. Prognosis. What did the doctor give? A negative report, a positive prognosis, a medicine list, a financial estimate. Correct answer is a positive prognosis. Resentment. Why did she feel deep resentment? A. She was rewarded, she was praised, she was blamed unfairly, she received a gift. Correct answer is she was blamed unfairly. Opened. The new technology could upend the entire industry. What could the new technology do? Improve the industry slowly, upend the entire industry, stabilize the industry, remove the industry. Correct answer is B. Remove, upend the entire industries. So अगली नेक्स्ट वीडियो ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਮਿਲਾਂਗੇ ਵੋਕੈਬਲਰੀ ਦੀ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਪਾਰਟ ਨਾਲ. ਉਦੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਇਜਾਜ਼ਤ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਧੰਨਵਾਦ.